older in your white dress. We ain't get no younger, me right as well to it. I must confess, let's get married. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are doing well. I had mentioned in my previous video that I was very excited for a video that I was doing, which is this video right here, and this is my bridal inspired makeup look. So I'm just gonna clear up the assumptions and just put out a disclaimer. I'm not married, nor have I ever been married, just saying. And yeah, but I'm definitely somebody's wife though, don't get it twisted. Today in this video, I'm just gonna be recreating a bridal look, or trying to create a bridal look for you guys, because as you guys know, wedding season is upon us. A lot of people are getting married in this period. I myself am working on a personal project that I'm very excited about. I do have a bride and I'm in charge of doing her hair and her makeup for her wedding. So yeah, thank you Jesus, because my dream got came true. Yeah, based on that, I was just like, with everything going on around me, let me do something that's, you know, let me do something that's making me excited, something that I've been inspired by. So I'm definitely inspired by like all the weddings going on right now. So yeah, I've got my fake ring, I've got my fake jewelry. I look like I'm ready to be married right now. We're gonna jump right into this video because we don't want it to be too long. Go through the process of telling you guys everything that I'm using and why I'm using it, because we talked about that. IJ has to start talking in her videos, so yeah. So the two primers I'm gonna be using are the NYX Pore filler. The next I'm gonna be using is actually an eyeshadow primer, and this is the Shadow Insurance from Too Faced, and it's the anti-crease eyeshadow primer. And I'm just going to be, and to be honest, since last year I've been using a lot of eyeshadow primers as an actual face primer for the whole of my face, and I find that it works best. And I also like them because they help to reduce my smile lines, which I hate. Those are like the most disrespectful things when I do my makeup. My smile lines are like just all over the place. Even when I'm trying my hardest to frown, I still see these freaking smile lines. My favorite powder ever, which I have to go and buy back today or at least tomorrow because I'm almost out of it, is the CoverGirl translucent powder. I love this powder so. Just gonna go right into my skin. So first thing I'm gonna do is apply foundation, obviously. So, and also I've purchased a whole bunch of new products because I feel like it's nice to get a bunch of new products when you're going for a special occasion, be it a wedding or prom or whatever. But even if you get a bunch of new products, maybe get it beforehand so you can try it, so you know which ones break you out, which ones don't break you out. But ultimately, even if you get new products that you know would work for you, sometimes people are pretty confident. I'm pretty confident that this product will not break me out. Still stick to the same routine. Don't try to try something new. Well, right now I can't find the Fenty so I'm just gonna go for my fullest coverage foundation ever, and this is a foundation that I really love. But because lately my skin has been really good to me and I haven't really felt the need for full coverage, I've just left it aside. It's even become dusty. But yeah, this is like a foundation that I highly recommend for any and everyone, and I think they have it in almost every shade. And this is the Marc Remarcable foundation, and it looks just like this. I feel like at this point everyone knows about this foundation, and this foundation is one of my best foundations in this life because it is super full coverage and it just gets the job done. So I'm gonna be mixing that with the Stila and I'll see how it comes out. Hopefully I'm not looking too orange. And you want to make sure that whatever you're doing, you're blending right into your neck, because when you take a picture as a bride, especially if you're going to be wearing like an off-shoulder dress or whatever, you don't want the demarcation. You don't want to look like you're wearing a mask, because that's just ridiculous. That would look ridiculous in a picture. So as much as possible, blend into your neck and yeah, so everything just looks seamless. That's just me. Now that this is done, next stage would be to apply concealer. For concealer today, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline concealer in the shade 30 Cafe. But I don't like to go too light either, because sometimes if you do know how to blend it properly, then you're fine. So it's looking pretty good. Next thing I'm going to do is contour. And I'm gonna cream contour first, but very lightly, as minimal as possible. Because I don't want to be doing the most. I want to look as natural as possible on my wedding day, so. So now that we're letting this marinate and just, you know, soak in and just, you know, bake for as long as we want, we're gonna jump right into the eyes, which is like the most exciting part of this whole look. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I have an idea of what I want as a bride, but first things first, I'm the realist. I'm just gonna be jumping right into my brows. NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Expresso. I think my brows are looking so much better, and I don't like thick brows normally, so this is me every time. And I feel like as a bride, your brows shouldn't be thick. They should be as thin and natural looking as possible. That's just my own take. These look good to me, and obviously I already prepped my lid for the eyeshadow. But today's look for the eyes, obviously I had said that I got a bunch of new things. I'm gonna be using this Makeup with an Attitude Fairy Tale eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this, and it's really pretty, and it's from the brand called Rude, and I've never heard of them before, but I thought the colors in here were pretty nice and neutral, and I kind of have a feeling that they were trying to, it mimics one of the Juvia's Place palettes. That's what I think. And so based on that, I was like, oh, and then the price for it wasn't ridiculous, so I was like, why the hell not? So yeah, and it's Art Library, and this is the Marc Art Library, and it's in the shade Flamboyant, and these are pretty much the two palettes that I'm gonna be using to create my eye look today. Done with my eyes, so I'm just gonna be going ahead to use mascara and use some lashes. And the lashes that I'm gonna be using for today's look, or for this bridal look, is the lashes I'm gonna be using are the C lashes. And it's always good to use products that you're familiar with and you're comfortable with. I've been using C lashes since like 2017, if I'm not wrong. These lashes are from C Lashes, and C Lashes is owned by Chinara. She's my friend, and I'm using them in a style Jackie, and they're really nice lashes. I do like to use them. I've restocked a couple of times, so yeah. And these are Jackie, and they're really pretty. I've never used Jackie before, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like them, so yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of blush, and I'm gonna be using this blush from Mary Kay, which I obviously don't remember the name because it's been a minute, but it's a blush that I actually really like. Next thing I'm going to do is my lips, but before I do my lips, I'm going to do highlighter. For highlighter today, I'm going to be going into this Milani glowing strobe light, and I don't know if this has a shade, but it says 04 glowing strobe light, and I like it because it's a very subtle highlight. Be going into this MAC Down to Art matte lipstick. I'm just gonna put that basically in the middle of my lips because I really like the color. It's a very nice peachy pink. And that is all for this look. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face one more time, and now I'm gonna be using the Cuddly Grape Water, and this just soothes and moisturizes your skin. While that is drying, we're gonna go ahead and get right into the hair. And do I look like a bride? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had so much fun creating every single look, from the makeup to the hair, and even like just the whole thing, the jewelry, the white top, everything just makes me look so bridal, and I feel like I want to get married like right now. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do post a video. And as always, I like to tell you guys, if you guys have any requests or looks or anything at all you guys feel like you would want to see me do on my channel, please leave that down below as well, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching, and to all the people getting married or have married, I wish you a long, fruitful and prosperous marriage. I pray that your marriage will never die and you will never divorce. Okay, anyways, bye guys, see you guys next time.